how to fix Klarna we couldn't verify your details, or if you get that notification. So what you're gonna do is to make sure all your personal information was entered exactly as it appeared on official records or whichever government ID you added. So your full legal name, your current address, and date of birth. One of the full or main reasons why this happens is because of the image you sent or uploaded. Make sure everything is clear, nothing's blurry, and try to make it as clear or HD as possible. Make sure everything on your ID is readable. You can double check on that. If the issue continues, check that you do meet the basic requirements like the correct country, age eligibility, and supported payment method. Then try again using a stable connection and the latest version of the app. But those are a few things you can put in mind if you are getting this notification from Klarna. So if it helps, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.